1995 Subaru WRX. I was driving home one day and lost boost pressure and it sounded like a tractor. So it was running about probably 2 hours ago. It's probably not fully cooled down. So I'll start it up. Sometimes it does this and it dies. And a little bit of smoke coming out of the engine bay. I think this is normal, it's shaking. So, I found oil basically on the underside. I'll leave the camera down here and show the exhaust leak. As well as I can hear a knocking in the top of my engine. Probably really hard to tell on the camera, but I'll try and get it as best as I can. Hopefully that sun's a little bit up, but I'm just really confused on what to do. Thanks, guys.